today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Excel file into a Google Sheet effortlessly, helping you navigate this simple but incredibly useful process with ease. Whether you're doing it for collaboration, accessibility, or simply convenience, moving your Excel files into Google Sheets can enhance your workflow significantly. Let's dive straight into the process and get started. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. This step is absolutely essential because Google Drive, which is the platform where all your files will be uploaded and managed, requires an active account. Without being logged in, you won't be able to proceed with uploading or handling your documents effectively. So take a moment and confirm that you're logged in. A quick way to do this is to look in the upper right corner of your browser, where you should see your Google account avatar. Once you've checked and confirmed that, head over to Google Drive. You can get there by simply typing Google Drive into your browser's address bar, or you might find it in the Google Apps menu, which is typically represented by 9 small squares or dots near your account avatar. Clicking on that will bring a drop-down menu where Google Drive usually appears among other tools. Now that you are in Google Drive, the next thing you want to do is upload your Excel file. This step is really straightforward. Look for the New button situated on the left-hand side of your screen. You can't miss it. Alternatively, if you're a drag and drop kind of person, go ahead and drag your file directly into the Google Drive window where it says Drop Files Here. For those who prefer using menus, click on that New button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a host of options. You're looking for File Upload, which allows you to navigate through your computer's directories and choose the file you need. Take some time to locate the Excel file you're aiming to convert to a Google Sheet. Once it's located, click on it, then hit the Open button. This action kickstarts the upload process. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. You'll see a small notification box in the lower right corner of your screen that shows upload progress. Once your file is uploaded successfully, this box will confirm its success. Now that your file has been uploaded to Google Drive, you're ready to open it. You can navigate to it by scrolling through your Drive's main area, or if your Drive is filled with a lot of files, use the search bar at the top for quicker access. Once you've found your file, simply click on it. Google Drive will automatically open it as a Google Sheet, effortlessly converting it from Excel format. And there you go. In just a few quick steps, your Excel file is now a Google Sheet. This conversion process gives you the flexibility to work online from any device and make sharing and collaboration with others a breeze, significantly boosting your productivity. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.